At 76, Aris could be considered forever young, and it's all because of his diet and lifestyle. What's the secret? Let's reveal the lifestyle of Aris Latham, which appears no less than a fantasy. Ready for his healthy ever after? Alright, here comes the baffling fact about Aris. The dude who has been pushing the boundaries of hydration for over 4 decades now. Imagine this: no tap water, no fancy bottled water, not even a drop of distilled water. What's his secret? You have been warned. Aris is not only drinking water, he is diving into a hydration realm all on its own. Picture this: instead of the usual guys, he tastes the coconut water, watermelon, and orange. But just wait, there is a twist. He calls it living water. And assuredly, it is a nutritional dynamo. Can you believe it? The guy who redefined the hydration rules is about to bring it out in the open. But you won't miss a drop of this juicy news. Get prepared to have your whole culinary world flipped on its head, eating as Aris prepares a meal at his house without a stove or an oven in sight. Here's the scoop. He doesn't like the conventional cooking hacks. However, he is chock-a-blocking into the sun's rays to swindle some breakfast. Can you believe it?
I haven't drank just normal, regular water in over 40 years. My water is living water from plants. It's structured water, H3O. So I see the big difference. So at 76, no aches, no pains. I climb coconut trees.
So there you have it. It's a food processing technique that preserves all the good stuff in the food, like vitamins and enzymes, something that is often eliminated through traditional cooking. Do you know how sunshine tastes? Stay tuned as we delve into the lip-smacking secrets of Aris' sun-blessed dishes. And trust me, it is hotter than you can conceive. In his interview, he claims that he has always used stoveless ovens. Yes, you heard it right. He also answers the questions that arise. What is a raw food diet? What are the benefits of maintaining a raw food diet? How creative can raw meals get? No more chasing the electrical storm to experience the jolt of energy. It could be sitting right above your head. Dr. Latham dropped this earth-shattering gem during our time together, mentioning that a food's level matters, influencing its electric current and alkalinity, and those coconuts swaying high in the tropical breeze. Turns out they are the super machines of nature. But the plot thickens. Some fruits are not made equal, and there is even a cunning grain that surprises the odds, always staying on the alkaline side. Can you smell that? Get ready, because we are about to submerge in the fascinating world of Dr. Latham's food philosophy as every bite comes to life. Have you ever thought about living for a day like Aris Latham? Ladies and gentlemen, get set and go for a day that is anything but ordinary. Aris starts his day with what he calls an internal shower. How refreshing, you wouldn't think. However, wait, what's pouring down inside him isn't water. It's a potent concoction of coconut water, lemon juice, and aloe vera juice, and mint leaf juice. Can you picture yourself having such a beginning of the day? Wow, what a zesty alarm ringing. Here comes the twist. This brew isn't only about taste, it's going out there to cleanse and purify every corner of his body. Wait though, that's just the beginning. While the sun shines down, Aris wades through the spectrum of uncooked life, that of a garden, fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. And that's the cliffhanger. He doesn't stop there. Picture this. Next up to the table are fermented foods such as sauerkraut and kimchi, which accompany a host of probiotics. Curious why Aris can keep his energy spiking and his gag reflexes dormant? Hold your breath because we're about to open the epic pages of a day in the beautiful life of Aris Latham. And trust me, it's a source of delight. At 76 years young, Dr. Aris is actively embodying his motto. It is not the food in your life, but the life in your food that nourishes. Let's discuss the superpowers of the raw food diet of Aris. It's not just eating as you think, but a healthy revolution completely. Here's the scoop. Aris is convinced that his raw food entertainment isn't just about enjoyment. It's an outcast against the evil wolves of chronic diseases, like heart disease and cancer. Come on, this is a game changer now. The catch is, can this diet reverse these health foes? Aris seems to believe this, and he's not the only one. Get set for a roller coaster journey into the world of prevention and transformation, and hang tight as we're about to find out if Aris raw food sorcery is the panacea we've all been seeking. Ready for a plot twist, people? Aris Latham isn't just the food, but an entire lifestyle deal. Here's the hook. The secret sauce of Aris philosophy goes beyond mere cuisine. It's not just about food, it's about tolerance to your internal clock and connection to the harmony of nature and your being. You can feel the goosebumps, right? Next already. However, listen to this. Aris is not just sermonizing from the pulpit, he's in the action game. Brace yourselves, because he is the proprietor of his Sunfire Culinary Institute. So what is going on behind those doors exactly? Hang on, we're about to tell you what Aris did with his philosophy. He turned it into a movement, one mindful bite at a time. And here you go, he's not done yet. Aris is providing retreats and workshops as well, teaching like a modern-day food god. How on earth is he doing it all? Wait up, the story of Aris Latham will get even more interesting. Do you want to know how he protects his energy when working with so many people's health and healing journeys? His response is surprising. He said he doesn't see himself as a healer, but simply as someone who enjoys making food. He believes that when people eat his food, their bodies naturally heal themselves. Finally, we arrive at the greatest show, the conclusion after the amazing venture of Aris Latham. And believe me, it's a moment of a mic drop. Picture this, Aris, an actual living human being who proves that a healthy life isn't just a rumor, it's a fact available to anyone. But here's the important thing, this story isn't just meant for your ears, it's a wake-up call reverberating through the valleys of health standards. What's the twist? Aris is pushing us to move out of our cocoon and motivating us to choose better health options. But stop a moment, how are we going to break from the ties of conventional wisdom? Aris has a secret weapon about something as simple as what's on your plate. Alright then, let's go. It is throne. Will you jump in and solve the mystery of raw food? Raw food is magic, isn't it? The journey doesn't finish here. It's just the beginning of your own life to healthy ever after. Alright, before you roll out to dominate the day, it's your time to shine. We like to know your opinion. Yours. Are you baffled as to who Aris Latham is or his out-of-the-box existence? So worry not, we are focusing on you. But we're not posing questions but inviting you to be part of the whole discourse. Feeling motivated? Start now before this rush of motivation leaves your bloodstream. Ring that bell to never miss such balls of motivation.